St. Joseph Hospital was established in 1916 by the Sisters of St. Dominic of Blauvelt from New York, USA. The hospital was named in honor of St. Joseph. St. Joseph is Joseph from the Bible, who was the husband of Mary, the mother of Jesus. The Dominican sisters operated the St. Joseph Hospital from 1916 to 1970. In 1970, the ownership and management of the hospital was transferred to the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Kingston. The transfer of ownership and management of the hospital was done due to shortage of trained nursing sisters and the burdening cost of operation. After the transfer, plans began for the expansion of the hospital by adding a new wing to provide additional beds, new operating theater, intensive care unit, and administrative block. The expansion work was completed in 1975 using donations. An entire page of the Daily Gleaner of Wednesday, September 24, 1975, was filled with congratulatory messages from important figures such as Prime Minister Michael Manley, Governor General Florenzel Glaspole, Edward Seaga, and Sister Karen Mary, who at the time was Superior General at the Convent of St. Dominic in New York. In her own congratulation message to the Archdiocese of Kingston, she concluded with the following words: "All who serve at St. Joseph's Hospital in any capacity whatsoever are doing their part to build up and strengthen the body of Christ in Jamaica. May you continue to care for the patients at St. Joseph's with the same affection which God lavishes on mankind." The Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Kingston owned and managed the hospital for 38 years, starting in 1970. In the early 2000s, the government of Jamaica saw the potential of the hospital and went into negotiation to acquire it in order to change it to a free-to-use public hospital. In 2008, the government made the first payment of $47 million for the purchase of the hospital. The purchase was later completed that year, and it is the plan of the government, through the Ministry of Health, to restructure the hospital as a center of excellence in oncology and nephrology, and for it to operate as an extension of the Kingston Public Hospital.